welcome to Eileen Who Got Yoga. So for today's practice, what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn what to do in your downward facing dog. So it's the same, do what you do in your downward facing dog. What does that mean? So normally when we're practicing yoga and you're new to your class, or you're new to yoga, or you're new to a teacher, they kind of expect you to know that you're supposed to know what you're supposed to do, but sometimes we just don't. Okay, when the teacher says move around in your downward facing dog, it means move around in your downward facing dog and what feels good for your body. So I'll be giving you some options that you can play around, and it really depends on how your body feels for the day. So whatever, you can play around in these different movements that you can do, or you can do it as it is, and it really depends on the time that what your teacher gives you. Okay, so let's come to your downward facing dog. Spread the fingers as much as you can. Compared to plank, in your downward facing dog, try to bend your knees first as much as you can, and then push away towards the front of your mat. As you push away towards the front of your mat, lift the hips up. So coming to your downward facing dog, you can practice cat and cow in your downward facing dog. Just little movements. And then you can also pedal your feet, bending one knee after the other. Switching one heel down. This is called walking the dog. And then you can also play around by bending both knees first, lifting the hips up, and then pivot the right one heel in, and then straighten the right leg and swing it to the left side. So you will feel the stretch on the right side of the body, and then push away up from the floor again, push forward, and then switch into the other side. You can do that both at the same time by bending both knees, pressing both heels down and push away towards the opposite, towards the same direction as your heels. Bending your knees and then pushing away. Other people wants to play around by shifting forward to plank and down dog, just to stretch your wrist and your ankles. Other already started doing their swaryas by up dog, chaturanga, up dog, down dog. And then other people just lift their knees around, moving their hip joints, and then opening up to their hip joint mandala. So these are the things that you can do. Move your knees around, and then to your hip joint mandala. And then rock your hips side to side, and then prepare for the next thing that your teacher is going to say to you. If you have any other question of what moving around in downward facing dog means, feel free to leave a comment below, or any other phrases that your teachers say and you don't understand what that really means, then I would love to give you an idea of what it means. Hope you have a great day. Namaste.
Thank you for practicing yoga with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out more yoga videos and follow me in my Facebook and Instagram.